Hello children, hope you all are doing good. In this 3 to 4 months, we have been hearing about only one thing, the novel coronavirus or COVID-19. We are being stuffed with so much information and we don't know which is right and which is wrong. In fact, the doctors and scientists are still in research and finding about the virus and the treatment plans. So there is no clarity for this. But now let us consider few do's and don'ts which can prevent any virus, including coronavirus. As the monsoons are here, we are prone to many viruses. Let us learn about the do's and don'ts in a broad way. Okay, I'll tell you about the 4 do's and 4 don'ts. First of all, wash your hands frequently. Second, wear a mouth mask. Third, maintain social distancing. Fourth, consult a doctor if necessary. And now coming to the don'ts. Don't go outside the house unless it is very important. Do not touch your face. Do not go in close contact with anyone. Avoid using public transport. Okay, now getting into the details. Washing hands. WHO, World Health Organization, suggests that we wash our hands at least for a minute. Okay, and it goes this way. Rub, 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 between your fingers, and then your thumb, and then your thumb. Roll, 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 and this. So this completes your hand wash and it should be done for 1 minute. And coming to the mouth mask, the second do is wearing a mouth mask. The things you have to consider or take care while wearing a mouth mask. First thing, see that the mouth mask covers both your nasal way and airway, nasal way and oral way. Mouth mask is useless if you wear it like this. It should cover your nasal way and oral way properly. And do not touch the mask here, because if at all there is a virus in the place you've been visiting, as corona is an airborne virus, it may sit here. So touching it here and then touching the other parts of your face or anywhere may be dangerous. So don't touch it here. Even when you want to remove it from one side. Okay, and when you're going out, when you're wearing your mask properly and going out to a supermarket or any place, as we already spoke about this, coronavirus is an airborne virus, so it may come in the air, and if the virus is sitting here and for some reason if you just don't touch it here, still remove the mask and just place it here, the virus is onto your mask, and when you put this back, it's into you. So you are giving a gateway for the virus. So be careful while wearing mask. And a small tip I would consider to give you people here is, place a bucket in front of your house. Fill it with water and a spoon of Dettol. So anything which enters your house should be dipped in that. When you are coming out from somewhere, just put this mask into that Dettol water, let it be there for a few minutes, then just dry it away. Anything, you can soak your hands before washing them, or any salt packet you bring or chocolate packet you bring from outside should be dipped in that water, dried for some time, then only it should get into your house. Even the vegetables and the fruits. So that you'll be safe. And keep a sanitizer also in front of the gate, so that anybody who enters or anything by mistake you collect from a courier boy or anybody, immediately you can sanitize your hands. Okay, and about social distancing, see that you don't go out unnecessarily. Go out only if it is required. Even when you go out, see that the place where you go, doesn't have more than 4 or 5 people. And few countries like Japan and states like Kerala are following this, the umbrella technique, where they carry umbrella and go to wherever they go, so that two people carrying umbrella, the distance is automatically maintained even if you forget. And the fourth one is the consulting a doctor. If you have any symptoms like cold, cough, breathlessness, don't get panic, but just see a doctor. Now coming to don'ts. As we have already discussed, please don't go unless it is very important. Keep these social gatherings away. Now Corona is giving us all family time, all family together. So keep all the relatives and friends at a bay. You can call them, you can text them, but not meet them directly. And do not touch your face, because we don't know, we touch the knobs, we open the doors, we switch on the lights, unknowingly we press the lift buttons, and with the same fingers, when we touch the face, it's easy for the virus to get in. So do not avoid touching your face. Avoid using public transport. As you all know, public transport is many people in a small area, so it is dangerous. And avoid going in close contact to anyone. Only the family that stays in your house. He is my friend, he is my uncle. Anybody Corona isn't biased. It can attack or it can infect any person. So please avoid close contact with any person. Hope this video is useful. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.